What is going on with AMC today? Why did it go up? So before we dive into this video, let's take a look at what the price of AMC price. So it's saying right now that price is at $5.19. GME GameStop is up over 74%, and we got 78% in AMC. That's crazy. And I heard that it was something about Roaring Kitty. I haven't really looked up anything yet, so I actually was typing it just earlier, not too long ago. Why did AMC go up? So that's what I searched up. Roaring Kitty is back. So it says Roaring Kitty is back, and so are meme stocks. GameStop and AMC surged like it's 2021. So it says here, the man at the center of the pandemic meme stock craze returned to the social media platform X, formerly known as Twitter, for the first time in 3 years, and sent the prices of these stocks surging overnight. I don't know why one guy has such great influence over the stock. We've been at a slump for so long, but I'm not gonna complain. Whenever I see green, that's the way to go, you know. And I feel like this uh, Deadpool movie coming out, you know, next month is gonna do a huge difference. It's my personal theory. I know I'm not using math, but I think Deadpool alone is gonna eliminate AMC's entire debt, and that's a lot of money, I know. But if the movie produces $20 billion, let's say, that's a lot of money, I know. But some of that small chunk of change is gonna go towards, you know, the actors, the movie theaters, and I think it's gonna bring a huge impact to AMC. And we are looking at the beginning of a green trend. We're coming back. I believe that we're gonna see these numbers that we once saw in 2019. And if you're like me, like you, that you've been holding for a long time and you've been averaging down, we're all like super excited because we just improved our positions now, and it's only gonna get better. We're gonna recuperate our losses. We're gonna, you know, surpass that even. So I'm excited to see what happens with AMC. But anyway, this article says the man at the center of the pandemic meme craze appeared online for the first time in 3 years, sending the prices of three of the quirky and volatile shares sharply higher Monday. Keith Gill, better known as Roaring Kitty, posted an image Sunday on the social media platform X of a man sitting forward in his chair, a meme used by gamers when things are getting serious. Keith Gill. Let's look up that meme. Keith Gill share meme? Or let's look up his Twitter account. Not Twitter, but his X account. Let's see where. Is there any posts that tells us this? Shows us this picture they're talking about. It's an ape. Good luck. Wait, okay, hold on. Let's look at the time stamps here. Well, it looks like I don't have an account, so I don't want to do that. I wonder what picture they're talking about. Keith Gill picture on X. Oh, is this the picture? Roaring Kitty? Ah, that's why I couldn't find it. So I don't need to look it up anymore because we just saw the picture, but I want to do it so I know I could do it. X. Mr. Jaws. I'm just gonna put something fake. 1991. Mr. Jaws. Sports. Sorry guys. Let me quickly pick something here. Next. Definitely follow him. And that's it. Roaring Kitty. He's verified. Let me see where this picture is. 2020. Oh, Roaring Kitty. Wow. Is it this one? Wait, are we in this? Okay, we are here. Where's this picture? Oh, right here. 22 hours ago. That picture is what caused everybody to go crazy. What are the comments saying? We like the cat. Follow me, not a question. Hey bro, we'll be buying. It's amazing to, you know, to think how much this simple picture can cause the stock market to move. That is so crazy. Well, anyway, that's the meme picture. Back to the article. If you're still following, I'm gonna keep this up. All right, so Where was I? Posted an image on social media of a man sitting forward in his chair. Meme used by gamers when things are getting serious. He followed that tweet with a YouTube video from years before when he championed the beleaguered company GameStop, saying, "That's all for now because I'm out of breath." FYI, here's a quick 4-minute video I put together to summarize the GME bull case. GameStop in 2021 was a video game retailer that was struggling to survive as consumers switched rapidly from disc to digital downloads. Big Wall Street hedge funds and major investors were betting against it and shorting its stock, believing its shares would continue on a drastically downward trend. Gill and those who agreed with him changed the trajectory of a company that appeared to be headed for bankruptcy by buying up thousands of GameStop shares in the face of almost any accepted metrics that told investors that the company was in serious trouble. That began what is known as a short squeeze, when those big investors that had bet against GameStop were forced to buy its rapidly rising stock to offset their massive losses. At Monday's opening bell, it appeared that Gill had reignited the phenomenon as shares of GameStop more than doubled. At midday, shares were trading 60% higher. It's the biggest intraday trading jump for GameStop since the meme craze of early 2021. Other meme stocks like the theater chain AMC were jolted higher as well. Trading in GameStop was halted 8 times before noon on Monday due to volatility. Gill became a cause célèbre in 2021 after his post on Reddit category Wall Street Bets ignited a David versus Goliath battle with large hedge funds that were betting heavily against the survival of GameStop. The small guys won at least for a while, driving shares of GameStop up more than 1,000% in 2021 in other meme stocks as well. The struggling movie theater chain AMC jumped 2,300% in a very short span of time in the same year, if you guys remember. Some big traders posted colossal losses at GameStop, raced from less than $20 to close to $400 each. Citron Research, Melvin Capital, and other well-known hedge funds lost an estimated $5 billion according to analytics firm S3 Partners. Some of those new and smaller investors believed, at least in part, that Ryan Cohen, co-founder of Chewy.com, could push the traditional retailer in a more online direction. Cohen built up a stake in GameStop before eventually joining the board and last year becoming its CEO. Joining the meme surge Monday was AMC Entertainment Holdings, which leaped 33%. Costco, a headphone manufacturer, spiked 25%. BlackBerry, the one-time dominant smartphone maker, rose 7%. The retailer Bed Bath & Beyond, another meme stock, sought bankruptcy protection last year. Some meme stocks, including GameStop and AMC, had been climbing earlier this month and rapidly. Shares of GameStop Corp, which have faded steadily since 2021, had already risen 57% this month. In January, GameStop reported its first annual profit since 2018, although it's still unclear if Cohen's turnaround plan will succeed. AMC's Entertainment Holdings had risen 10% over the past 30 days, and these companies broke out Monday following Gill's tweet. The dynamics of the market, as far as companies like GameStop are concerned, and have changed. However, the dynamics of the market as far as companies like GameStop are concerned have changed. However, don't understand how they wrote this. When Gill and an online army of retail investors began buying up shares of GameStop, more than 140% of the company's tradable shares were being shorted. You arrive at that distorted number because some traders were borrowing against already shorted stocks to build even bigger bets against the company. Vastly increasing their losses, the stock began to climb. The short positions against GameStop tradable shares are now stand just over 24%, slightly more than 22.5% recorded in January. Gill reaped a big profit investing in a troubled video game company, but denied when he appeared virtually at a congressional hearing that he used social media to drive up GameStop's stock price. And who would blame him? Because maybe he'd be sued, or maybe he would be stopped from having the ability to invest, or not invest, but like publicly say anything about the stocks that he's invested in, because of if he would have been saying that he posted this on social media to create a drive in the price, he would have gotten into trouble. I believe. I'm not sure how the law works here, He told lawmakers at the time simply, "I like the stock," which was a good response. As Roaring Kitty, Gill had vanished from messaging boards after posting a video in June 2021 of kittens going to sleep. The story of Roaring Kitty and the meme stock craze was turned into a movie last year called Dumb Money, which was a really good movie. You guys need to watch that. And that is all I read. And so far, the stock of AMC aftermarket, aftermarket price is, holy crap. It's actually at $6.06 right now. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm not gonna share my, my position and how much I own, but it's not a lot. I'm with you guys. I'm sure somebody's always gonna have more than you or less than you. But the point is that we're all apes in this, and it's been a long time. It's been many years, and we're still in it. And I hope that somebody's gonna watch this video and say, I'm an ape too, and thank you for sticking around with us. I guess, I don't know. You don't gotta thank me. But anyway, I don't know what to say. This is an exciting day. I know things are gonna, just go crazy from here on out, I feel like. Also, nothing that I say is financial advice. You obviously you want to get a financial advisor with all this. I'm not telling you to buy AMC, share, sell, anything like that. I'm telling you my personal opinion, and I'm an investor. I like the stock, and I can't wait to see what happens next. So if you're excited as I am, leave a comment below, say go apes or something. See you guys in the next video. Jaws out.